How to create a QANDA account. First of all, open the app on your device and wait for the home screen to load. On the screen, you will see multiple sign-up options including continue with Google, continue with Facebook and continue with other method. If you want a quick sign-up process, choose Google or Facebook and give the required permissions to proceed instantly. If you prefer another option, tap on continue with other method to see additional choices. Here you will find two options, continue with email and continue with mobile number, and you can select either one based on your preference. In this case, select continue with email to check the email registration process. However, at the moment email registration is not available, so you won't be able to complete sign up using email. Now go back and select continue with Google or Facebook instead. Here I will go with Google. Choose your Google account from the list and allow the required permissions to complete the registration. Once done, your QANDA account will be created successfully and you can start asking questions and getting solution. Now you know how to create a QANDA account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.